Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best daybeds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Little Seeds Ambrosia Diamond Tufted Daybed and Trundle set. Add charm to your room with the upholstered Ambrosia Monarch Hill made by Little Seeds. Beautifully decorated in velvet and decorated with a bunch of diamonds on the back and arms, this mid-century style piece is an ideal place to rest, read, and sleep. In addition, this daybed has a removable nest to accommodate 2 twin mattresses, making it perfect for the night. This sofa bed has a curved wooden slat system that provides excellent ventilation for the mattress, keeping it cooler longer. Moving on at number 4, we have the Homes, Inside Plus Out Donnely Daybed. The Lavina Daybed by Inside Out Homes features a beautiful design complete with tufts with framed nail edges along each arm. The ivory linen-like fabric complemented by soft foam cushioning in the field, allowing you to rest and relax again. It is elegant, stylish, and comfortable, which gives your living area a more spacious appearance. The perfection comes with finished material, size, and dimensions. It covers the area of 88.2 x 43 by 35.2 inches and technical weights about 115 pounds for more easy efficiency. At number 3, we have the Modway Quest Circular Patio Daybed. Quest daybed pieces together the puzzle experience with a fun and versatile. Adjourn for your daytime repast either by yourself or with others. This daybed is easily separated quest pieces to serve the seating needs of others. The game also comes equipped with a sun awning shield for your leisure time with the pleasantness of shade. Quest is composed of a light-resistant wicker base, an aluminum frame cladding, and all-weather cushions. At number 2, we have the Hillsdale Staci Daybed with Trundle. Hillsdale beds and rooms are sophisticated and designed to create a perfect sanctuary, whether you are upgrading a master bedroom, guest room, or children's room. The decorative accents, beautiful finishes, delicate fabrics, and styles are the basis of Hillsdale's bed and bedroom design. Hillsdale has a variety of beds to help create a comfortable and relaxing space. The overall dimensions 81.5 d by 41.5 w x 37 h make it more appropriate for Staci cum daybed comfort and charm simultaneously. Precise use of durable material such as finished wood and trundle slides gives more efficiency and excellent convenience. And finally at number 1, we have the Daybed Reversible Sofa Lounge Daybed. Far beyond your basic bed, this versatile platform for sleeping and resting goes from the platform bed at night to the comfortable daybed during the day. The time to study, sleep, rest. The full-size black lounge bed does it all. The backrest and side armrest allow a vertical rest. The European curved wood slat support system eliminates the need for a box spring. Covered in black brushed canvas material, this versatile full-size black bed will be the center of attention in any room of teenagers and children. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.